Looking for ways to turn your boring patio into a dreamy boho oasis? If you're ready to transform your outdoor space into the perfect place to unwind, entertain, or just soak up the sun, you're in the right spot. Stick with me for the next few minutes and I'll show you 10 game-changing boho decor tips that will give your patio the dreamy vibe you've always wanted. Hi everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're diving into the world of boho decor, and I'm going to show you how to create the perfect outdoor boho space, starting with your patio. Whether you're someone who loves earthy textures, vibrant patterns, or cozy corners, the boho style has something for everyone. And when it comes to creating an inviting, relaxing vibe, there's no better way to do it than with Bohemian outdoor decor. So, let's get into it and make your patio the ultimate boho retreat. One of the easiest ways to infuse boho style into your patio is by layering textures. Think cozy throws, plush pillows, and soft rugs in various shapes and sizes. Boho decor is all about comfort, so make sure your seating areas are not only stylish, but inviting too. Mix and match fabrics like cotton, linen, and macramé to create a relaxed, lived-in look. You can throw a few patterned pillows on a simple bench or use large rugs to anchor the seating area, creating a cozy, welcoming vibe. Try mixing bold patterns with neutral tones. This eclectic combo is a hallmark of boho style and will instantly add character and warmth to your outdoor space. Lighting is crucial for creating the perfect boho ambiance in your outdoor space, especially during the evening. Soft, ambient lighting will help set the mood and make your patio feel magical. String lights are a boho favorite, adding a twinkling, romantic vibe to any area. You can drape them across railings, trees, or even hang them from the ceiling to create a canopy of light. Lanterns, whether vintage, Moroccan-inspired, or simple wooden designs, also work wonders for adding a warm, rustic glow. If you're looking to take it a step further, consider hanging fairy lights around plants or in large mason jars to create a soft, ethereal look. Don't forget that lighting isn't just about function, it's a decor element in itself. Make sure it fits with the overall cozy and inviting vibe of your boho patio. Boho decor thrives on natural materials that bring an earthy, organic feel to your outdoor space. Incorporating natural elements like wood, wicker, and rattan furniture is a must when creating a boho-inspired patio. Wooden furniture like a rustic dining table or a wooden bench can help add structure to your space while keeping the vibe grounded and earthy. Wicker and rattan pieces, like chairs, baskets, and side tables, provide texture and depth, making your patio feel more relaxed and organic. Choose furniture that looks like it has a story to tell. Pieces that have been loved, reused, or repurposed are perfect for the boho aesthetic. Adding a mix of these materials to your patio will make it feel like a cozy, nature-filled retreat, and it will definitely enhance the Bohemian vibe. Boho furniture is all about comfort and creating a relaxed, laid-back atmosphere. One of the signature features of boho decor is low seating. Think low-profile benches, floor cushions, oversized poufs, and ottomans. These pieces are perfect for creating a relaxed, inviting space where everyone can lounge and chat. Opt for cushions and poufs in different sizes, shapes, and textures, and mix and match them to create a comfortable seating area. You can even layer the cushions for extra coziness. Don't shy away from adding a mix of eclectic Bohemian-style furniture, like wooden chairs with colorful woven patterns or a vintage hammock chair. These pieces not only provide functionality, but also enhance the boho aesthetic with their unique and artsy charm. A boho patio wouldn't be complete without an abundance of plants and greenery. Bohemian style celebrates the natural world, and incorporating plants into your outdoor space is a fantastic way to bring life and vibrancy to your patio. Whether it's hanging plants, potted plants, or even plant ladders, the more greenery, the better. You can hang plants in macramé plant hangers for that signature boho look, or display a variety of plants in colorful pots to add layers and texture to your space. For an added touch of whimsy, use plant ladders or shelves to elevate your plants and create a lush, vertical garden. Consider using ferns, succulents, or trailing vines, as they add variety and bring an earthy, relaxed vibe. Not only do plants add beauty and texture, but they also make your patio. One of the key characteristics of boho decor is the playful combination of bold patterns and prints. Mixing textiles in different styles, colors, and textures can create a vibrant, eclectic look that feels effortlessly stylish. Start with large, bold patterns on rugs, such as geometric or tribal prints, and layer them with smaller, delicate prints on pillows or throws. Don't be afraid to mix stripes, florals, ethnic patterns, and paisleys. Just make sure the colors flow well together. In boho style, there are no rules when it comes to pattern mixing, so you can experiment and find combinations that feel right for your space. By combining different textiles and patterns, you'll create a lively, textured atmosphere that's the heart of boho design. Whether you're using patterned throw blankets, tapestry wall hangings, or richly printed cushions, this mix will give your patio the dynamic and cozy vibe it needs. Boho decor thrives on the eclectic and the unexpected, so adding vintage and unique pieces to your patio is a great way to enhance its charm. Look for one-of-a-kind finds like vintage chairs, retro side tables, or old wooden crates to add character and personality to your outdoor space. These pieces don't need to match or be from the same era. Mixing and matching different styles is key to achieving that lived-in, cozy boho feel. An old, weathered bench or a funky side table with a mix of colors and textures will not only bring in nostalgia, but also make your patio feel more intimate and full of history. Vintage items bring warmth and authenticity, and they give the space a curated, personal touch. Whether it's a colorful Moroccan rug, a vintage lantern, or a set of mismatched chairs, these eclectic elements will give your patio an inviting and artistic atmosphere. A key element of boho decor is creating cozy, intimate zones where you can relax and unwind. Instead of just having one large seating area, break your patio into smaller, cozy zones that encourage lounging and socializing. Consider adding a hammock or a swing chair in a corner for an extra touch of boho charm. You can also create a reading nook or a quiet space with floor cushions and throws, perfect for enjoying a cup of coffee or reading a book. The idea is to make your patio feel like a series of inviting, cozy spaces that encourage relaxation. By creating multiple zones, each with its own vibe and furniture, you can enjoy the flexibility of using different areas for different activities. These small, comfortable spaces help give your patio a laid-back, boho vibe that invites you to spend more time outdoors. The color palette you choose for your outdoor boho patio will set the tone for the entire space. When it comes to boho decor, earthy, warm tones are key. Think rich browns, burnt oranges, terracotta, mustard yellows, and deep reds, all of which reflect the natural colors of the earth. These colors evoke warmth and coziness, making your patio feel inviting and relaxed. You can use these shades on walls, furniture, cushions, or rugs. Don't be afraid to add pops of color through plants, accessories, or textiles to create contrast. The beauty of boho decor is that it allows you to mix these warm hues with other bold colors. But the foundation should always feel grounded in natural, earthy tones. These colors create a sense of calm and connection to nature, which is central to the Bohemian style. The final tip for creating the perfect boho patio is to infuse the space with personal touches that reflect your own style and journey. Boho Decor celebrates individuality, so feel free to include unique artwork, handmade crafts, or sentimental items that tell a story. Whether it's a hand-painted canvas, a collection of vintage finds, or a set of family heirlooms, adding personal elements to your patio will make the space feel like an extension of yourself. These items can be anything from a dream catcher you picked up on a trip, to handmade pottery, or even a cherished blanket passed down through generations. Incorporating personal pieces